right?
Push that out. Let's see him. Alright, go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. Ah! What is that? Okay.
Okay, go. You can do that kasi sira na yan eh.
No.
No, you can control it. All good?
I have an idea.
What?
You pull me.
Good, kasi sira na eh, di ba? That is so tired. Wanna hold this? Right here.
Okay. 3, 2, and go. Alright, guys. I'm getting pushed. Oh my. Oh my God. Alright, guys. That's really fun. Let's go again. Oh my goodness gracious. Ah. No! I found the freaking sled! You butt!
It's my turn for Orion to pull me. Alright, wait lang. I need to lie down. This is gotta be too heavy. See him? Where I go? Go pull! Pull! Let me. Brand new. Now wait. Brand new. Let's see how strong you are.
Even if I do this, look, check it.
Oh, I'm moving.
Oh! Hope you guys enjoyed our video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that bell of the notifications. And for now, we're gonna make another one soon in this video, in this first channel. But for now, bye guys, have fun. One more jump!